in this 60-second burst, we're going to be looking at removing these data plates. As you can see, they're riveted on. So all I'm going to do is grind the backs of the rivets off and then pin punch them out with a small pin punch and a hammer. That's it, all done. Plates are off and they're relatively intact. Bit bent, but nothing to do with it. See, data plates all now cleaned up with some lacquer over the top. I might rub it down and put some satin finish rather than the gloss, but I didn't want to make it look brand new, so I've just kept the old paint and everything and just cleaned it up a little bit so you can see all the letters.